can I help you?
Can I speak to the management?
He's not here.
Well, I got this little problem here, see. I ate at y'all's restaurants on Sunday at about, I think it was 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And the food is nice and all, and I'd like to come back, but it's just this fucking problem. I keep shitting. Is it any way I can get a refund or anything? Because this shit is not cool.
When did you come?
Sunday.
Sunday? What was it?
There was something about some, like, refried beans and a couple of burritos. And the shit has tore my stomach up.
How much is it? How much was it?
I don't remember, but all I know is it's tearing my fucking stomach up. I'm shitting all up through my ears. Can you help me?
Well, if you want to, you can come over here and I'll give you your money back.
Well, shit. That'll do just fine, but could you recommend anything or something for the shitting?
No, to tell you the truth, I sure can't, but if you want to, I mean, the manager will
you think
be
it's
here,
funny?
Tomorrow.
You think it's funny that I'm shitting all up my ass? You think it's funny that I'm shitting all up through my asshole?
Hey, Tom, is this fucking restaurant, man?
Yeah, it's the fucking restaurant. Got everybody shitting.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
I ate there Sunday, and oh, God, I'm still feeling the effects.
This shit is not cool, man.
Like I say, I mean, if you want to, you can call tomorrow at 10 o'clock, and you can talk to the manager.
But I'll still be fucking dying.
We'll still be shitting.
Uh-huh.
Yo, have you eaten there?
Well, there's nothing I can do because I'm not the manager
You
or
can't,
nothing like that.
we
I'm
can't come
just
in.
the person that works
I
here.
know, but we can't come in and you can, like, suck the remains of the shit out of our ass or anything for us.
Can you help us with the shit? I mean, can you, like, give us extra toilet paper or something?
Because it's God. You know how it feels. I feel like I'm giving birth. Excuse me, ma'am, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Oh, can you, like, give us some air freshener?
Or maybe just a blow pump.
The smell is...
Well, I mean, like I say, if you want, you can talk to the
smell is
manager.
fucking
He'll be
unbearable.
here tomorrow.
Some peppermints or some mahogany or whatever the fuck.
Because there's nothing I
Or
can do
some
about it.
peppers or something to stop the shit.
I've tried corks. I even stapled it by ass check. It just won't stop.
Listen, ma'am, can you help the shit?
Well, there's nothing I can do about it. I mean, like I said, the manager's not here.
Oh, have you ate there before, ma'am?
If I do it here, there's nothing wrong.
Well, why are we shitting all over ourselves?
I don't know, to tell you the truth.
I mean, this shit all in my bed. The shit is everywhere.
It's up my fucking face.
I mean...
I can sit in bed and I went to sleep Sunday night and I woke up in a pile of shit.
You know how they say, like, shit on you? I've experienced the actual saying.
Well, like I say, the manager will be here tomorrow.
Have you ever shitted like this?
Excuse me, is the manager a big guy?
No, he's not.
He's not, so I can probably whoop his ass.
I don't think you should do that.
Can we take his fucking ass down?
Well, listen, I gotta go to work, so I'm just a person that works here.
I understand this.
Okay? There's nothing I can do about it, and I'm sorry.
You're not working tomorrow, are you?
Bye.
Fuck you, bitch.